So welcome back to my channel, guys. For today's video, I would like to share to you guys how we carry out main engine scavenge space inspection and checking of the piston ring groove clearance. So as you can see, guys, this is our main engine scavenge space. Just finished with the scavenge space cleaning, and then we have to check and carry out inspection from this space, and we have to check this side, all the piston rings, the flaps, and the auxiliary blower ports. As you can see, guys, this is the unit number 1, and this is the piston crown and the scavenge ports. All of these things, guys, has to be checked regularly in every port, or it depends upon the performance of the main engine. The frequency of this maintenance, guys, is depending on the opportunity, or it should be done at least once a month. It depends on the situation of the port regulation. So main engine has to be secured properly for this kind of job, and all the prerequisites of entry in closed space entry permits has to be completed, guys. So this is the inspection we carried out in every month. So before this inspection, guys, this scavenge space has to be cleaned properly, manual cleaning, guys, to remove all the sludge and the deposits from the engine side, this space side, and the under piston side. It has to be cleaned properly before carrying out inspection, and before closing all these doors from both sides. It has to be checked that no any rugs or any object will be remain inside, and all drain of the scavenge space must be checked that it should be free from any sludge and free from any obstructions. And all of these transmitters, as you can see, there is some transmitters here, pressure and temperature sensor has to be cleaned also. As you can see, guys, it should be properly inspected and regularly. And now we are checking the groove clearance of the piston rings, and the condition of the piston rings itself, and it should be moving freely as you move the piston up and down. So this is how we check, guys, the piston ring groove clearance. So we're using the filler gauge, or the thickness gauge, and the vernier caliper, just to confirm the measurement of our ring groove clearance. So all of these things has to be recorded regularly. If any abnormalities being observed, it must be recorded and rectified accordingly. So all of the units has to be checked from the under piston side and the scavenging space side, and it should be recorded accordingly. So up until here, guys, I hope you learned something about this kind of video, guys. And if you are interested about this kind of topic, marine engineering videos, please don't forget to hit me the like, share, and subscribe. And this is JB23 vlog. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe, everyone. Bye bye.